Hey there guys, David Salazar here, and today I want to talk to you about whether or not you have been injured while you are in a work or company vehicle. So there's a lot of layers to injuries that are sustained whenever you're on the job, especially when you're in a company vehicle. It depends on a lot of things. First and foremost, you want to find out if your company has workers' compensation. If they have workers' compensation, then you're technically barred from bringing any kind of claim against your company. That being said, there are times when it's possible for you to file an auto claim on behalf of the insurance. So you could file a claim on your company's auto insurance, but you can't file one for injuries for the workers' compensation claim. Or if you do, you're actually barred from making any other kind of claims. You can also look at it a different way. If you were in a work vehicle and somebody else was at fault, then you would file a claim against them. And then you could also file a claim against your work's auto insurance if the at-fault party doesn't have enough insurance. So there's a lot of different layers to this. If you really want to kind of get complex, you can also take a look at whether or not you have personal insurance. And if you do, then sometimes that'll cover it. So all of this kind of comes into play. The first priority though is to find out whether or not there's workers' compensation. If there's workers' compensation, that's going to be your first avenue of recovery. If there is not, then you've got a lot of options that you can look into, and you could actually have stacked policies, which means that if you have some pretty substantial damages, that those policies would essentially stack up. So let's just say you had one for $30,000, the at-fault driver had one for another $30,000, and your workers' your auto insurance for your company had another $30,000 as well. That would be a total of $90,000 that you could effectively recover from if you had the injuries to justify it. So there's just a lot of different ways to look at this. It's really complex. I can guarantee you that navigating workers' compensation claims, auto injury claims, commercial claims, they're one of the most complex things you can do. So do not try to do it by yourself. If you have any questions, I guarantee you probably will. Please ask away, and I'd be more than happy to help you try to answer them and kind of peel those layers back. My name is David Salazar. I look forward to talking to you soon. Please join our Facebook group and check out our YouTube channel. We got a lot of other information on there. I think it's pretty useful. Others have thought so too. So please just take a look and let me know what you think. Until next time, we'll talk soon. Thanks.